Guys, welcome back to my channel, The Kasi Farmer. Today I'm harvesting potatoes. Well, I didn't mean to. They sort of just came out and then I started digging. So yeah. I don't know if these were still going to develop into some potatoes, but it's too late now. I still have quite a few to harvest. I'm just gonna throw these tiny ones back in the ground like so and cover them. Okay, there's another plant over here. Ah, look at that. Just gonna dig around here as well. I've injured a lot of my potatoes. Oh guys, look at this. So I'm just gonna use my hands and then oh, there's another one. I think there's another one left in there. Yeah. Oh, this one is huge, you guys. Look. I think this is gonna be the last one I pull out. I'll do the rest another time. I'm exhausted and the heat is too much. And that's the last one. Oops. And there's nothing. And, okay, it's one big. But I'm gonna dig around. Yep. Oh, this is like treasure hunting for sure. Look at the shape of this one. Just gonna make sure there's nothing left there. And that's it. I'm gonna show you the rest of my harvest. Okay, I still have quite a few. Guys, the heat is too much. I can't deal. I still have a lot of potatoes to harvest, but I'm just not doing them today. I think these ones, I planted these ones at a later stage, and I think they need a little bit more time. Guys, look at this. Here's everything I harvested. And some of these potatoes are huge. Okay, I may have damaged some while taking them out. But some of these potatoes are huge, you guys. Look. Look. And some of them are definitely small. But that's everything I harvested today.